Hello, dear little explorers. Once upon a time, in the depths of the universe, there was a magical place called the Light Level. But wait, do you know how this place was discovered? Close your eyes and imagine. One of the shining stars in the sky suddenly starts to speak. Today, I'll take you to those magical moments. Are you ready? Let's dive into this starry tale. One night, when the moon was shining brightly, a little astronaut named Mira was examining the sky with her telescope. Mira had a dream to one day see those glowing stars up close. Mira's best friend, Gigi, a giraffe with a long neck and adorable eyes, was by her side. As Mira studied the stars, Gigi leaned over and asked, "I wonder how big stars really are, and why are there so many of them?" Before Mira could answer, the tip of her telescope filled with a surprising light, and a voice echoed, "Mira and Gigi, are you ready? I'm going to take you to the light level." Mira and Gigi nodded excitedly, and suddenly they found themselves inside a shiny rocket. The rocket pierced through the sky and reached space. As the stars' lights illuminated their windows, the gentle hum of the rocket engines calmed them. Gigi murmured, "This vibration feels like a lullaby." And so, their magical journey began. The rocket first stopped at Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Seeing the craters, Gigi exclaimed in excitement, "Mira, this looks like a giant playground." Mira smiled but noticed something even more intriguing. Blue crystals sparkling inside the craters. These crystals were said to be fragments of an ancient star. Mira thought, "So, stars shine not only in the sky, but also here." Next, they traveled to Venus. The thick clouds on Venus reminded Gigi of cotton candy. But through the mist, they saw a mountain glowing like gold. It was a mountain filled with lava. Gigi asked in amazement, "Are treasures hidden here?" Mira replied, "Maybe Venus shines like the brightest star in the sky." When they saw Earth from afar, their eyes lit up. Mira exclaimed, "My home is so beautiful and blue." Gigi noticed a satellite orbiting the Earth. "I wonder what this satellite is learning about Earth," Gigi pondered. On Mars, dusty red mountains greeted them. Gigi laughed. "This looks like a sandbox I could play in." But then they noticed a moving shadow. It was a robot named Curiosity exploring Mars. The robot said, "Hello, I'm here to uncover Mars's secrets. I love meeting curious explorers like you." After saying goodbye to Curiosity, Mira and Gigi continued their journey. When they reached Jupiter, they were awestruck by its enormous size. Gigi said, "This planet looks like the biggest balloon in the sky." At Saturn, the rings captured their attention. Gigi twirled and said, "These look like space hula hoops." They were amazed to learn that the rings were made of tiny ice particles. At Uranus and Neptune, the chill in the air was sharp. Gigi wrapped herself in a blanket, saying, "This place feels too cold for giraffes." On Neptune, they saw a fast-spinning storm with a blue light emerging from it. Mira said, "It's like Neptune is waving hello to us." Finally, they reached a cloud full of stars. The stars were so close that Mira felt she could touch them. One star approached Mira and Gigi and said, "We stars are your glowing friends in the dark. Each of us carries a story from the depths of the universe. You too can light up the world with your glow." Mira and Gigi felt happy hearing the stars' words and prepared to return to Earth. Back home, Mira looked through her telescope again and felt like the stars were smiling at her. Gigi gazed at the stars and said, "I learned so much tonight. Every star holds a story." Dear little explorers, How about you look up at the sky and dream, just like Mira and Gigi? Who knows? One day you might have your own space adventures. Sweet dreams and good night.